Hi guys, how are you? So this is what I'm making today. I'm making a carrot and banana muffin, and this is going to save you so much time in the mornings. It is unbelievably good. They are healthy, but you can make them as dirty as you want. I mean healthy as in there's no sugar in them. I've used maple syrup instead of brown sugar, but you can use brown sugar as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to make this off with the volume off, and I'll just do a voiceover because things are a bit crazy here and you don't need to be hearing what's going on in my family. Please like and subscribe if you are following this channel. If you want more budget bites, if you want more budgeting, encourage me by liking and subscribing, and I will make time for you. If you want the recipe, the full recipe will be on the blog, thecaribbeandub.com. Okay, let's go. Bye. Hey guys, so there's a fair few ingredients, but you can give and take whatever you want to suit your family's taste buds. First things first, I want you to preheat your oven to 220 degrees, and let's line up a cupcake tin. Yum. These are actually so pretty. Eliza chose them. That's my life right now. In one bowl, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So this is wholemeal flour. I really advocate for this. I think it's a really nice flour, guys. And it just looks healthy, doesn't it? It looks healthy, it feels healthy, and I'm all about that. Let's add some salt, some cinnamon, some baking powder, baking soda, and mix, and we're going to put this aside. But look at this flour again. I really want you to have an up close look at it. It just looks good for you, doesn't it? And I know people do that in a lot of bread, but this is really nice, like in a breakfast option like this, like banana and carrot muffins. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 2 eggs. And I always try to use free range egg. If you can't afford it, or you think it's overpriced, or you're not bothered, it doesn't matter. Vanilla extract, only extract, not essence, because essence is not real. Extract is, guys. And you can get it for cheap enough in Aldi. I'm going to mix it. And then we're going to add some melted coconut oil. Yum. So you see it? We have the cinnamon, the coconut oil in there, the vanilla extract. Oh, you could smell it already. Then the maple syrup is coming in, and like I said, it just looks healthy, doesn't it? And we're just going to mix it. Then I'm going to add in some mashed bananas. Yum. I'm not from the Caribbean if I don't love bananas, really. Now we're going to add back in your dry ingredients, guys, half at a time. So let's just get that mix in there. And then we're going to do like what I said before. We're going to mix it up. But look at that. The smells right now were unbelievable. Now we're going to mix it up using half of the dry mix, and then we're going to add the other half as it's kind of mixed in. You can put it all in at first, but I like to just take my time and just mix it bit by bit. We're going to mix it until it's fully combined, and that's what it should look like there. It's like a little bit thicker than a pancake mix, but really nice, guys. This is going to be such an easy one. Now I'm going to add some sultanas. Guys, this one is for me, but I make it with the kids. Eliza would just leave it as this with the carrots, and then that would be her done. Look at the color of those carrots. Like, it just looks good, isn't it? If you're eating by color, you know it's kind of healthier. But look, I'm not going to say that I'm not eating it for the taste as well. So we're going to mix that again. And because this one is for me, I'm going to literally add in some walnuts because I like a little bit, I feel good with a bit of nuts in there as well. But the kids don't like it personally. And Louis likes cocoa nibs and not raisins. So I make 3 lots. But like you see, it's so easy for me to make. And then I'm going to start loading up those cupcakes. Get them muffins going. These cupcake cases are small enough. I got them because of Miss Eliza Rose. She wanted the pretty ones, but they're smaller, so I have to fill them up. But if you have normal cupcake cases, I would say just go halfway. But you could fill them up to the top. They don't rise like crazy. They just firm up because of the flour again. So yeah, so nice, guys. I can't even tell you how much I love them. Fill them right up though. I literally make sure I use all of that mix, and that mix will make you 12 cupcake cases. It's such a delicious recipe. And if I'm in a rush, I don't feel guilty. I'm like, okay, I'm just going to pop them in the microwave for literally 15 seconds and we are ready to go. Easy to freeze. And just really, yeah, this will save my life. Excuse the mix on my hand. Oh, let me save that bit. I love seeing the bits of carrot going through the orange. It's like food by color. It just you just know it's gonna be better for you. Somebody probably say no, it's not Santa's, but it is, okay. And then we're gonna go all hipsterish, and we're gonna add some oats. This is just normal rolled oats, and I just literally sprinkle it over the top. When Eliza's making this with me, she absolutely loves it. She loves sprinkling over, and it's just really pretty. Now we're gonna lower our oven to 200 degrees and we're gonna bake for 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, so I want you to, let me just, my head is not in. Okay, so let me just show you this. How pretty! Carrots and banana. Oh my God. So let me open one and show you what it's like inside, because it is unbelievable, guys. Get it up to the camera, Sanders. You see how moist that is? Like, it doesn't need much. And that's the whole meat. Let me just try that. You don't want any of this. This is for me every day, okay? Only for me. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. You wouldn't want that, Eliza. Let me taste. So good. So good, guys. Well worth trying. Anyway, enjoy. I'll talk to you later. Bye.